Smarteefi Power Strip is a Wi-Fi enabled power extension strip that can be controlled anytime from anywhere. It can help working couples to monitor and control their home appliances while in the office or out of their homes. It allows you to check the status of your appliance on your phone. It allows you to create schedules easily from mobile app. You can also control your appliance from Smarteefi website www.smarteefi.com. With Smarteefi Power Strip, you can travel without worrying that something left on or off at home because you can control them kahin se bhi, kabhi bhi. Get your Smarteefi strip today. A product made in India by Core Embedded Technologies Private Limited. For more details, visit at www.smarteefi.com.